Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Skyline, and this one is specifically, let me show you what is that one. Which is this one. So which is this KDR30. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. So here it is. So there is nothing inside the box. Okay, here it is. The name is mentioned, Skyline 2000 Turbo RSX KDR30. I think this is same casting which I bought in that another series as well. Let's see. Okay, so out of the box the casting actually looks really nice, and it is a bit heavy. And as usual, so the older Tomica, some of the older Tomicas, so far whatever we unboxed, at least in this week, everything had this paint bubbling issue. So again, there are Tomicas which we unboxed back as well, so which was pretty good when it comes to paint jobs. But I don't know why this is happening when it comes to Tomicas. So okay, so let's talk about the casting now. There's the logo here, and the headlights are actually metal and it is painted chrome. I don't know about the actual car how it looks. So it has taillight detailing as well, which is painted on, and you can see the badging here. So it has door handle detailing as well, fuel cap detailing as well. So the body is fully metal. Okay, chassis is plastic and chassis has some level of detailing to it, which is really nice. And this is 1:65 scale, and okay, it has openable doors. So this is a right hand drive, you can see here. It does have interior detailing to it, which is really nice. It has nice interior detailing to it, to be exact, and it snaps back to place, which is really nice. It actually has a very good spring action even compared to Majorettes I'm talking about. So the overall the casting looks really nice. So let's do a suspension test now. So this will come under main lane usually, because some main lanes actually has moving parts in Tomicas. So this will come under the similar one. This is a main line with moving part, because they didn't change the rims actually. So 33 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Wow, that actually rolls really well. Third try. Yeah, that rolls really well. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Okay, so it has paint bubbling issues. Again, yours might not have that. So apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue at all. It has all the detailing to it, all the necessary detailing at least. So that is good when it comes to a casting. I mean, I don't have any issues with it. So I would give a 10 out of 10 for this one. Even it rolls really well. So if you are a fan of Nissan, I know a lot of people actually loves JDM, so you can pick this one. This is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.